How to put location in Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put location in Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the Snapchat app itself, let's first visit the App Store over here. If you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and search for Snapchat. Just open up the Snapchat page within the App Store, and what we're going to pay attention to is this particular button over here. If it shows an update button, that means that your Snapchat is currently outdated, so just tap on the update button so you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to put or share your location. Once you have made sure that your Snapchat is up to date, assuming that I'm now done updating it, I'm just gonna go ahead and open up Snapchat over here. And from the camera page, just swipe to the right so it will go on to your friends page. And then after that, just click on your profile icon at the top left corner and scroll down a bit from here, and you should see the section that says Snap Map. So just click on open right here. It should show up an open button right below the tap to explore Snap Map instruction. Just click on that. And this window should pop up if you still haven't shared your location access to Snapchat. So just click on allow, because in that way Snapchat uses your location for features like filters, search, Snap Map, advertising, and more. Just click on allow. Click on the location option right here. And you can choose any of these three options below. So I'm just going to click on while using the app, so it won't drain my battery too much. And you can also turn on precise location, so it will really share your specific location. Let's go back to the Snapchat app, and you should see your Bitmoji within the Snap Map. Just click on, I'm just gonna exit from this page, and you can click on the settings icon over here. And if you have turned on your ghost mode, your friends can see your location. So just turn off ghost mode so that your friends will be able to see your location on Snapchat or within the Snap Map feature. So that is how you can basically put location in Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.